If Slack is giving you an error when you try to send a message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This is one of those frustrating issues that can happen for a few different reasons, including a weak internet connection, a bad network, a browser issue, a VPN or proxy conflict, or simply cached data causing Slack to misbehave. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes. So before you start clicking around randomly, follow these steps in order and you'll have the best chance of solving the problem fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, check your internet speed. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run a quick test to make sure your connection is stable. Slack needs a reliable connection to send messages properly, and if your internet is slow, unstable, or dropping packets, messages may fail to go through. If the speed test looks unusually low or inconsistent, that could already be the cause. In that case, wait a moment and test again, or move to a stronger connection. Next, switch your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a hotspot. If you're on a hotspot already, try Wi-Fi instead. This is a really useful step because it helps you determine whether the issue is with your current network rather than Slack itself. Sometimes workplace networks, public Wi-Fi, or mobile data restrictions can interfere with message delivery. Once you change networks, go back to Slack and try sending the message again. If it works, you found the problem. If not, continue to the next step. Now, refresh the page. This sounds simple, but it can solve temporary loading issues inside Slack, especially if the app or browser tab got stuck while syncing. If you're using Slack in a browser, just reload the page and give it a moment to reconnect. If you're using the desktop app, close and reopen the app if needed. After refreshing, try sending the message again to see whether the error clears. If the issue is still there, the next thing to do is disable your VPN or proxy. VPNs and proxies can sometimes block or slow down Slack traffic, which can lead to sending errors or connection failures. Turn off your VPN, disable any proxy settings you have enabled, and then reopen Slack. After that, try sending your message once more. If the message goes through after disabling the VPN, then you've confirmed the cause. If you still have the same issue, the last step is to clear your browser cache. This is especially important if you're using Slack in Google Chrome. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, go to Settings, then select Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cached images and files at minimum. Cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with how Slack loads and sends messages. After clearing the cache, restart your browser, sign back into Slack if needed, and test the message again. In many cases, this final step resolves the problem completely. So to quickly recap, check your internet speed, switch networks, refresh the page, disable VPN or proxy, and clear your browser cache. Following those steps in order will solve most Slack message sending errors without wasting time. If the video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick fixes and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.